bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my love, I have a project share video for you guys. I put together this little mini clipboard full of embellishments, full of goodies, with the intentions that you can mail these out to your pen pals, or maybe you're mailing out like a happy mail. Maybe you're kind of like, interchanging some Halloween goodies with someone. This is a great idea to put together, and I think it's basically something that is fun to receive. If I receive this over the mail, I will be super excited. So I wanted to show you what I came up with here. It's basically very simple. If you guys need me to do a step-by-step video for you guys, I will do that for you. Just let me know at the bottom of this video. If I get enough yeses, then I'll put together like a tutorial on how to put this, together. But let me show you. So my idea behind this is to make little mini clipboards. I just love that idea. I have a whole bunch of these little clippies here, and I thought that it would be an awesome idea to kind of create like a little mini clipboard full of goodies that someone can use. So here you have 5 little mini clipboards, and I have it wrapped around with orange bright yarn that I got at Tuesday morning. So when you receive this, I'm going to show you what you're going to get. So the first, here, let me put you up close so I don't have to reach up. So the first page that you have here is this really adorable, fun, vintage image that is layered with the Hocus Pocus paper from Michaels, and also layered with a chipboard. I don't know what you call this. I'm going to call it, for now, I'm going to call it a chart paint sample that I got at Walmart. Now, what is a chart paint sample? They look like this. They're by the paint section, and they give you samples of different colors of paint. You get to take this home with you. I guess you get to kind of like figure out if these colors are good for your home. And so what I did was I went to Walmart and I saw these, and I said, you know what, I'm gonna grab a few of these. So I grabbed all the orange or like the fall colors so I can do some projects using this. And I also, by the way, if you guys don't know, I do have a tutorial that I did about a year, maybe 2 years ago, showing you guys how to make an album out of these. So if you guys haven't seen that video, I'll link that at the bottom of this video. It turned out absolutely adorable. I love making those albums using these chart paint samples. It's just turned out so beautiful, and it's really inexpensive. So I'll link that video if you guys want to learn how to make an album. Okay, so for the first page, I use again the chart paint sample right here. And I think that it's turned out really cute. Now, these little clips that I have here attached to each one of these little pages, you can obviously take them out and use them for other projects, or you can keep them here if you want. However you want to use them for is up to you. The idea behind receiving this massive goodiness is that you can reuse them. So anything that you have in here, you can reuse for yourself, or you can reuse to give to somebody else. Okay, now on the back of this page, I actually added some felt, which is some orange wonderful felt. Bless you, puppy. Some orange wonderful felt, because I feel that felt really adheres well to this kind of material, and so that's what I did. I also gave you a sample of my little embellishment that we created together. That's in my Halloween series video. I'll link that also for you. And that's what we got for the first little clipboard. The second little clipboard that we have here is some really wonderful little images from Tim Holtz paper. These are fuzzy cut out, and I gave you samples of them so you can use. Now, another great thing about this is that nothing is glued down, so everything is washi taped so that you can, again, reuse them however you want to. So these are just actually held with washi tape. On the back, you have some fabulous little vintage images that I added here so that you can use for your little projects. You got 3 of them in here. The next little clipboard, I gave you a sample of my ATC card that we created together. I love these cards. They turned out so beautiful. And on the back of the card, I gave some of these playing cards so you can play around with them as well. Again, not glued down. Everything is held with washi tape. You can use the little clippies however you want. On the back, I have some of these really fun stickers. They're like little mummies with little googly eyes. I gave 4 little stickers so that you can play around with it. And I think it's really, really cute. I love them. Okay, perfect. The 4th little clippy, you have some wonderful little tags that I made here so that you can reuse. These are really fun little gift tags. And then on the back, which is really cool, I have these little tiny envelope. In this little tiny envelope, I stuffed a whole bunch of little ephemeras that you can use for any Halloween projects. These are the ephemeras that we use for our little matchbox embellishments, like these. Remember, we did these on one of my Halloween series videos, and so that's what I did with this page right here. The next page, which is the last page or the last little clipboard, I again added some of these little labels. I love these little labels. They're just so beautiful. I really do love the look of them. They're washi taped down so you can reuse them. And then on the back, I have this gorgeous piece of paper that is from the Hocus Pocus, along with another little ephemera that is washi taped down. And again, you can reuse. So that's basically what I did. Now, again, the idea behind this little mini clipboard is that you can use everything in here however you want. You can re-gift it if you want, or you can use it for yourselves. I just thought that the idea was really fun. And I thought that maybe the presentation is like really nice, right? I think that it's a really nice presentation. And I think that whoever receives this over the mail will really, really enjoy it. There's a lot of things in here that they can play around with. You can also add more. If you want to be creative, you can add some pockets to these little clipboards. You can add more clipboard pages if you want. I mean, you can really do a lot of different things to it. But this is basically the idea behind it. I hope that you guys like this, and I hope that you try it. And if you do, make sure you tag me on Instagram so I can see how it turned out. If you guys want me to do a step-by-step tutorial on how to create these, I would do that for you. Let me know at the bottom of this video. Make sure you give me lots of likes. Make sure you let me know at the bottom of this video, and depending on the amount of yeses, then we'll do it, okay? Alright, my loves, I hope you enjoy watching me show you this little adorable mini clipboard. Make sure you stay tuned for more projects. I will do my best to link everything at the bottom of this video so that you guys can get ideas on how to create some of the things in here. And that's basically it, my loves. Have a fantastic weekend. Make sure that you thumbs up, make sure that you subscribe, and make sure that you are all safe. I will see you on my next video. Thank you so much for returning, my lovies.